Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on where you're watching us from. Okay, I know we've been away for a minute, but trust me, it's for a good reason. We've been hard at work trying to finish up the tiling on this beautiful home. So we started the styling process back in March, and now we're almost like 5% away from the finish line. For the floors, we went with clean white porcelain tiles for the bedrooms, the hallway, and the living room, giving the space a bright modern feel to it. The entrance of the house, the back porch, and the staircase leading to the rooftop all have some cool black and white tile installed. As for the bathroom vanities, the countertop, and the kitchen island, we decided to mix it up a bit. We brought in some black and stylish tiles just to add some contrast and character to the whole house. And now, if you've been following us, you should know by now that we've done the lighting, the ceilings, we've done a lot of sanding of the walls ready to be painted. This whole month, this whole project has been super fun, and I just cannot wait for the final result to be revealed. So if you have any questions and concerns, please leave them in the comment section. Thank you, peace, enjoy.
I mean, say we put that big one for outside the